Hi, welcome my students. We are discussing trigonometry. In a previous class, we discussed trigonometric ratios of a complementary angles. So today's section I am going to discuss on basis of that one next exercise, that is exercise L1.3. So first question, evaluate the first one sin 18 divided by cos 72. So what they given here? Sin 18 divided by cos 72. So first here write the sin 18, we can write 90 minus 72. So 90 minus 72 we can got 18, right? This 18 rewrite 19 minus 72. This divided by cos 72 as it is. So this is equal to. So we know that sin 90 minus theta is a cos theta. So here sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sin 90 minus 72 is cos 72. So here we can write cos 72 divided by cos 72. Both get cancelled. We got 1. Is it clear? So second one. What is that second one? Tan 26 degree divided by cot 64, right? So this one we can write tan 90 minus 64 divided by cot 64. So 90 minus 64 is a 26. So this 26 we can rewrite 19 minus 64. So now we know that tan 90 minus theta is a cot theta. So here write a cot 64 divided by cot 64. Both get cancelled, we got 1. Right? So similarly, next one, third one, cos 48 degree minus sin 42. So here cos 48 we can write 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42 is a 48. So next minus sin 42 as it is. So here we know that cos 90 minus theta is a sin theta. So here sin 42 degree minus sin 42. So sin 42 minus sin 42 we got 0 here. Right? So next one, fourth one, cosec 31 minus sec 59, right? So rewrite this 31, 19 minus 59. So write cosec 90 minus 59 minus sec 59, right? So already we know that cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So we can write here sec 59 minus sec 59. So this is equal to 0. Any doubt? So well students, the next main, second one, show that the first one tan 48, tan 23, tan 42 and tan 67 is equal to 1. So write our first given question. Tan 48, tan 23 degree, tan 42, tan 67 is equal to 1, right? So that means we want to show it LHS is equal to RHS. So first write on LHS. What is that LHS? Tan 48 degree, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. So here this 48 we can write 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42. So next one, this 23. Tan 23 we can write 90 minus 67. 90 minus 67 is a 23. 90 minus 42 is a 48. Right? So next, tan 48 as it is. 48 and tan 67 as it is. So here already we know that tan 90 minus theta is a cot theta. So here tan 90 minus 42 is cot 42. Cot 42. And here also tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So here tan 90 minus 67. So you can write cot 67 and into tan 42 and tan 67. So here tan 42 we can write 1 by tan 42. Cot 42 we can write 1 by tan 42. Into here also 1 by tan 67. Cot 67 we can write 1 by tan 67. Into here tan 42 as it is and into tan 67 as it is. See here tan 42 cancel, tan 67 cancel. So here we got 1. It is RHS. Right? So similarly next one, second one. What is that second one? Cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 sin 52 is equal to 0. So here first write down LHS. Cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 sin 52. Right? So here cos 38 we can write 90 minus 52. 90 minus 52 is a 38, right? And here also cos 52 we can write 90 minus 38. 90 minus 38 is a 52. Next, minus sin 38 into sin 52. Right? So now cos 90 minus theta is a sin theta. So here cos 90 minus 52 is sin 52. So we can write sin 52 degree into cos 90 minus theta. So here cos 90 minus 38. We can write sin 38. Sin 38 minus. So sin 38 sin 52. So here sin 52 sin 38 minus sin 38 52. So here both cancel, we got 0. So it is RHS. Is it clear? This is all about second one.